Hey and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna share my process of designing this two apartments converting to one big apartment. So basically this project is in New York on Central Park. So one of the apartment is like front facing the the Central Park, and the other one is on the back. So obviously the one on the front is much more value. So what we were trying to do is to gain more value and make a bigger luxury apartment with connecting those two apartments to a big one luxury. So I'll share with you my process and the way of thinking and how do I got to my final result. So basically, if you can see on the top here, this is the existing plan that was there. So if you come to the first apartment number 1, so basically it was a one bedroom apartment, as you can see, and the layout wasn't so good. You needed to go all the way here to get to the living room. Think about it, a luxury apartment in New York, that you have such a long hallway, and that was one of the biggest pain point of this apartment. And this is something that happens a lot in New York. Mainly the layouts are very poor, since the way of the house and the way of the structure of the building doesn't allow it. And the other one, the under apartment number 2, had a little bit better entrance. You go in the living room and dining, and then you have here like a bedroom here with a full bathroom, and here you have like another kitchen. Now the thing with the kitchen is that it's a little bit hidden, but that's okay, some people like that. So that was this two apartments, and what we did, we took those two apartments, and what we did is we first of all we tackled the main thing, is the entrance. First look, you coming into the luxury apartment, you want to see a first look, you want to see some nice foyer, some nice area of entry area. So the way we handle it, we did like a nice foyer here with like a bench and a piece of art, some lighting, a nice area for you come in, you know it's a luxury apartment. Right then you have your decision. You can take right to the family room, and from the family room continue to one of those bedrooms, two kids rooms with a shared bath and bathroom, and one luxury apartment, one luxury master bedroom with a very big bathroom, full bathroom. And then you have another small powder room for the family room. So this is like the family area of the house. Now if you go back to the entry area, that's like the core of the house. So let's say they have a meeting here in the house and the office, so this will be the guest house, so a guest room. So if this is the guest room, they feel comfortable to go out of the house and go in. They're not interrupting all the people, all the family are living in the house. They feel freely to come in and to go out. And if this will be used as an office, so same thing, the father or the mother can come and have their meeting with not bothering the kids watching TV or sleeping something, etc. Then we have another half bathroom to serve the main kitchen and living room. We have a luxury kitchen that we designed, and we'll see in a little bit, and we have a dining area and a sitting area. Okay, so this was the layout and the way we got to this layout. We usually start in a sketch with hand right, then we take it to CAD and check the measurements, see we got everything right, and then what we do, we do the 3D rendering. And here is the bubble scheme that before we even start, we just had this concept that we want to divide the private area, that'll be the right side of the house, and the public area, that'll be the kitchen, office, and living room. So this is the entry, and what we did here is basically we went with gold and some very deep wine color, red wine color, very deep, and gold and black and white, and some wood natural colors with black and marble. So once you come in, you feel this apartment is a luxury apartment. So that was what was mainly missing, because it was coming into a hallway, and now we have this small space like this room that is a foyer and gives us this feeling of a luxury apartment. The next space is the living room. As you can see, very nice sitting area with a bunch of sofas and chairs, and we have also a fireplace. And the kitchen, we have a whole video on how the process and the way we trial and error. Basically, this is the kitchen we got. We're very happy with this kitchen. And here's another shot of the kitchen, same color. We have this wine color, brown, red brownish wine color, very some warm color into the house. The wood on the floor is warm, has 35 degrees way for the wood, and that's very inviting. You come in, you have this wood inviting you into the space. Then we have the sitting area. This table is between the kitchen. The kitchen is on your right and the sitting area is on the left, and this is actually the dining area. Sorry for that. And this has the natural colors, some wood, and here we have the column, the concrete column, bare concrete. This is the bedroom. The bedroom has the same colors, same consistency. We keep the consistency with black, gold, white. Some we put like a colorful red carpet to get a tiny bit, a glint of red into the bedroom. Okay, and here's another shot of the living room. You can see how incorporate the red in the living room with some nice painting. And here's the shot of the dining area in the living room. So this is those renderings we had. Now we can take a look on the SketchUp file. We used SketchUp and V-Ray for SketchUp to rendering this project. And as you can see, here is the kitchen. We have a video for the kitchen, as I mentioned, and we have here the dining area, and we have here the sitting area, fireplace, and this is the red wall here with the R, and that connects to this red wall and wrapping up the kitchen. So we have this consistency that goes around and talks, and the same red we have also in the entrance. When you come in, you have the bench is red. Actually it's gray here, but actually it's red. And here inside the bedroom we did try a few different setup for the light. So you can see on the video for the bedroom, you can see the different setup of the lights we had. And here you have the same red, black black, gold, and white, and the wood material on the floor. So this is the SketchUp file. So when we tackle a project, we usually don't build everything. We build whatever we need to present, and when we present, we do 3D rendering. So our 3D rendering was in those areas. We didn't do the family room since we didn't present that. So those are the doors to the family room, and here will be actually the family room, and this is another room and another room, but it's not built here on this file. This is the CAD. So here you can see a bunch of options, and we had more when we erased. Basically we start with drawing and sketching an idea, and then we take it to CAD. Since in CAD you can really see if you got the measurements right and it's really fit. What happens a lot of times that you tried when you're sketching out, you don't get the right proportion, and once you put it in CAD you get back to earth right proportion. So here we had some sketches, we had some different idea along the way, and this was the plan with no text and no dimension, just the plans of the final setup. Okay, so that's about it. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this content. Keep a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and take care. I'll see you next time.